Roof maintenance in Baltimore, Maryland. Properly maintained roofs can extend the life of a structure, save on costly repairs or replacements, and ensure optimal functionality at all times. Temperature fluctuations in Baltimore can damage roofs with hailstones, wind-driven rain, or snow accumulation, causing leaks and other issues if not addressed quickly. Regular roof inspections offer the opportunity to identify any potential problems before they become serious issues, causing expensive roof repairs or roof replacements down the line. The most common problem seen by roofing companies when performing roof maintenance services is missing shingles due to wind or hailstorms. Other signs of roof damage include loose flashing around chimneys and vents, cracked sealant around skylights, broken gutters, rusty metal components, and water stains on ceilings. The flat roof repair cost and maintenance services in Baltimore varies depending on the size, complexity, and architectural elements of a particular project. Generally speaking, contractors will assess factors such as location, surrounding area, and materials used to determine an accurate estimation for any given job. When looking for a reputable roofing contractor, individuals should research carefully and compare prices and customer reviews. Family-owned and locally owned roof services often offer upfront cost estimates and complete the process quickly and efficiently with excellent attention to detail. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.